Well, good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. And today, hopping in the death trike to go over to Chad's house. We're installing something he got from Kirk at Holland Accessories. It is a new set of shocks for Toothy. So he's got new front and rear shocks going on Toothy. They are QA1 shocks. I'll have all the links to Kirk and Holland Accessories down in the description below, as well as right here on the screen. We're gonna go over there and install these. Should be really quick. Chad's already got the car like on the lift, ready to go, so the suspension's already dropped, so we can get there and just like boom. You're literally just gonna loosen the collar and back the tension off of the spring, take the top and the bottom bolt off, and remove the shock, put the new shock in, reverse everything you just did, and you're done. Kind of takes a couple people to get these off because they're still under tension. Even when there's no spring tension, the shock is still under tension. Just the pressure of the shock is trying to push out. So it's nice to have an extra hand to push the shock back in when you're taking bolts in and out. But other than that, it's pretty quick and easy. Should be a quick day, and hopefully helps Toothy's ride. So I'm gonna get over there and we'll see you in 3, 2. Yeah, he already loosened everything. Okay, Chad thinks we can do this in 10 minutes. I don't know if we're going to set a timer, but we're going to say maybe not 10, but quickly. So we're installing these shocks, QA1s that Chad got. He's already kind of ahead of us. He's got this car jacked up on the jack stands, lowered it down on the lift, and he's going to town over here.
About to go to town.
Oh, had to have the assist from Billy.
It's about 99 foot-pounds torque.
So not 240 or something like a steering rack is?
Yeah.
I think I only did mine at like 60 or something.
That top will loose. Back that one out.
3 minutes.
Shock in.
3 minutes in.
Now we'll check. Gotta get her lined up there, Chad. Gotta get her lined up. Line it up. Oh. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, you want that. Look mucho better. So we actually loosened this all the way back, so we had absolutely no tension on the screen itself. We were able to push this down and get that. Throw nuts on the back side and tighten them up. So we got the front done. Moving on to the back. We're gonna do the bottom, I'll do the top, just like we did the front. Trying to bust your finger?
You trying to bust my fingers today?
Uh-huh.
Dang, Chad, that's not very nice.
Chatty daddy?
Like that? Tighten her up. How many pound foot of torque you got on this one?
99.
99. 99 on the front, 99 on the back.
We have a bone to pick with you.
Was it 80 millimeters? So we're going 80 millimeters from the bottom of that collar to the edge of the bolt. That's at least a really good starting point. Alright, so you turn this clockwise plus 6 clicks, and then you're good to go. So on this rear shock, we're going from basically from the swing top of the swing arm, or from the rethinking the top of the bolt. From
the bolt,
like from
bolt
here,
to here.
should be 40, but we think that's too short. So we're gonna verify this with Kirk. From the top of this bolt to the bottom of this set collar, it's supposed to be 40, but that's just gonna barely be anything. So we're gonna figure that out. But this for sure is gonna be set at 9 clicks, positive, 9 clicks. All right, all done. Both sides done, rear's done. Pretty simple, pretty quick. Maybe not 10 minutes, but you spend 10 minutes just adjusting the collars back down to where they need to be. Because you gotta turn them little, like quarter turns at a time. It's terrible. That's really it. Pretty simple, quick install. You get these from Kirk Sanders. I'll put a link in the description below, down there. And that's it. We're back from Chad's house. It is a long drive over there. I'm very tired. So we installed some other things while we were there. I'm going to release a different video for the other things that we did when I get to that. But done for today. It's been hot outside, humid as heck. It's been a long day, and I'm done. So that's it. Just wanted to show you a quick install video for Kirk. It really is that easy. It didn't quite take us 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer than that, but it's a pretty simple install. Just jack the car up, remove the shocks, put new shocks on. I mean, there's not a lot to it. So check out the link in the description below, so you can get a hold of Kirk and order these shocks if you want them. They definitely look good. Chad has already driven it and sent me a text a minute ago that said that the handling is way better. It's more precise. They're not terribly expensive, which is nice. I mean, it's a good solid upgrade. One that probably many people should do. I am really cheap, and I don't know if I'll ever do it, even though I know I should. But I also like the look of the stock shocks for the Death Trike. It would definitely clash with the next version of the Death Trike that nobody knows about. Not even anyone in our group really knows about it. I say that, does anyone know? I don't think anybody knows. So for the next round, I can't have bright red springs, that's for sure. That's gonna be it for today. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you